Today I am reviewing the ZAFRO 10,000 BTU air conditioners. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a portable air conditioner that packs a powerful punch while remaining easy to use and efficient, the ZAFRO NPLH506C/X1 E10000 BTU portable air conditioner might just be the perfect fit for your home or office. This unit is designed to cool rooms up to 450 square feet, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, living rooms, or any indoor space where you need reliable cooling during those hot summer days. One of the standout features of this portable AC is its fast and stable cooling performance. Thanks to its 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, it's capable of delivering a strong, consistent flow of cold air that can quickly reduce the temperature in your room. Unlike some bulky traditional air conditioners, this ZAFRO model is compact and lightweight, weighing just under 50 pounds, so you can easily move it from one room to another without any hassle. Its dimensions are quite manageable too, measuring roughly 13 by 27 by 12 inches, which means it fits comfortably in most spaces without taking up too much room. Noise can be a big concern with portable air conditioners, but the ZAFRO does an impressive job keeping things quiet. Operating at a noise level of just 52 decibels, this unit is noticeably quieter than many competitors, so it won't disrupt your work, conversation, or sleep. This is especially important because the AC also offers a dedicated sleep mode. When you activate sleep mode, the unit further reduces noise output, helping to create a peaceful environment for rest without sacrificing cooling power. Alongside this, the 24-hour timer lets you schedule when the unit turns on or off, helping you save energy while maintaining comfort throughout the day or night. The ZAFRO portable air conditioner isn't just about cooling. It's a versatile device with 4 different operation modes: cooling, fan, sleep, and dehumidifier. The fan mode includes a wide 75-degree oscillation feature, which helps circulate fresh air around the room to keep the atmosphere feeling lively and pleasant. The dehumidifier function is particularly useful for humid climates, as it can extract up to 90 pints of moisture from the air, reducing indoor humidity effectively. This helps prevent the sticky, uncomfortable feeling that often comes with summer humidity, and it can also help protect your home from mold and mildew buildup. When used as a dehumidifier, it doubles as a fan, continuously circulating fresh air to keep your indoor environment healthier and more comfortable. Setup and installation of the ZAFRO portable AC are straightforward and user-friendly. The unit comes with an exhaust hose and a window sealing kit designed to fit most vertical and horizontal windows. This makes installation quick and simple, usually taking just a few easy steps. The intuitive control panel with clear icons allows you to customize your settings effortlessly, either directly on the unit or via the included remote control. Whether you want to adjust the temperature, switch between modes, or set the timer, everything is easily accessible. Another thoughtful design detail is the unit's energy efficiency and safety certifications. The ZAFRO model is EEL certified, which means it meets stringent safety standards, giving you peace of mind. Plus, with its SEER rating of 5, it's reasonably energy efficient for a portable AC of this size, helping keep your electricity bills under control while delivering strong cooling. In summary, the ZAFRO NPLH506C/X1 E10000 BTU portable air conditioner offers a powerful cooling solution packed into a compact, quiet, and versatile package. Whether you need quick cooling in your bedroom, want to reduce humidity in your living area, or simply want an all-in-one portable AC that's easy to install and use, this unit ticks all the boxes. Its multiple modes, quiet operation, easy controls, and energy-saving features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable all summer long. If you want a reliable, efficient, and flexible portable air conditioner, the ZAFRO is definitely worth considering.